For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The number of COVID-19 cases in southern states is on a massive surge. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh were down the ladder in COVID-19 cases previously. However, over the last few days, these states are witnessing a massive surge in infections. Among the 10 states and union territories with the most active cases, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh have seen highest spike in cases over the last week. Tamil Nadu has the highest active COVID-19 cases with 35,659, followed by Telangana with 9,000 active COVID-19 cases. Andhra Pradesh is third in the list with 7,164 active cases, and Karnataka currently has 5,476 active COVID-19 cases. The number of active cases in these southern states has gone up in the last 7 days. Telangana has seen the highest surge in active COVID-19 cases in the last week. Southern states have seen an increase in number of active cases over the last 7 days. Telangana has seen a 133% increase in active cases, followed by 61% in Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh stands third in the list with a 57% increase in active cases in the state. Tamil Nadu's active cases have gone up by 38% in the past week. Not just active cases, but southern states have also seen a rise in COVID-19 fatalities. Andhra Pradesh is the southern state with highest COVID-19 related deaths over the last week. Andhra Pradesh has seen a 59% increase in COVID-19 deaths in the last 7 days. As the situation worsens in Karnataka, the state saw a 51% increase in COVID-19 fatalities. Tamil Nadu stands third in the list with a 43% increase in deaths. Karnataka's COVID-19 model was hailed by many for its effective and strategic management to contain the spread of the virus. However, over the last 2 days, Karnataka has witnessed an explosion in the number of cases. Karnataka reported its highest single-day spike with 1,267 COVID-19 cases. Karnataka's Medical Education Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar has said that cluster and community transmission has begun.
It is now between a cluster and community spread. Unless civic sense prevails on people and they take home quarantine seriously, there will be a bigger surge and the possibility of a vast community spread. While one cannot deny the fact that post-lockdown there has been a surge in cases due to influx of people from more infected states, many also did not strictly follow home quarantine rules, leading to further spread among their family members and primary contacts.
Of the 1,267 cases, Bengaluru alone has contributed to more than half of the cases with 783 infections. Southern states are now climbing the ladder in reporting more COVID-19 cases, spreading fears of community transmission. However, Kerala, being a southern state, has maintained its COVID-19 graph low.